Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take long screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to demonstrate to you how we can take long screenshot. I'm going to open my Chrome and I'm just going to take long screenshot of this website. I'm going to use this assistant menu to take long screenshot. We can tap on the screenshot and then you're going to click on this option. Okay, and I'm going to practice it one more time. You can also use your button, your volume button and your power button to take screenshot, but here I'm just going to use my assistant menu just like this and tap on this icon. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the result looks like. I'm going to open up my gallery and open my screenshot. This is the long screenshot we have just taken. Alright guys, and that's all the way to take long screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!